Plains Ag Center in Beardsley, South Dakota with your market comments for September 29th. At Dakota Plains, we have a shared interest in growers being successful. We can connect your farm to the world market through our logistics, and we can create solutions through our global partnerships to bring competitive advantage to your farm. Today I wanted to highlight the local soybean situation. Looks like from what we've been talking to guys and what we brought in here so far, we're looking at yields of 40 to 60 bushel an acre, maybe an average of 50 so far. Obviously your farm is unique and every farm is different. We're seeing a cost of production out there for beans around $400 an acre. At the current $8 market and 50 bushel beans, $8 beans are right at break even. Wanted to highlight this because if a grower is looking to protect his input investments, he maybe feels like he's undersold, he may have some cash flow needs, and he wants to protect, his investment that he has in the crop. He wants to avoid dipping into capital or equity for next year, stay whole for next year. Think about taking some risk off the table at those $8 beans. If it's a break even or maybe it's profitable for you at your farm. I worked with a grower recently who sold the $8 cash and was confident that his yield over 50 bushel an acre were making profitable. Every farm's different, every situation different. This is mainly for the growers who may be undersold going into harvest here and have bushels to move to town and maybe want to protect their input investment and need some cash flow. I don't think there's a silver bullet out there for the soybeans right now. If you do have some marketing to do, I always think diversification is good. A combination of cash sales, a combination of DP bushels, maybe a basis contract, be able to stay in the futures market a little bit longer than selling across the scales. And then also there's some minimum price contracts out there where you can protect a floor and also have upside participation in the market if the market does decide to rally. These are just some ideas, some solutions that we have. Obviously your farm's unique, and we can talk to you on a one-on-one basis and help you with a plan for those bushels. 6-10 day temperature outlook is forecasted below normal temps for South Dakota and much of the harvest area. Today in the session we had pre-report positioning. Corn and beans were higher, wheat was lower. I always like to look at the funds where they're at before a report. Funds are net long corn, about 2,000 contracts, and they're net short over 45,000 contracts on soybeans. So we got the grain stocks and supply and demand report out tomorrow. That's a quarterly report out from the USDA. There can be some volatility with this report, as of any report with the USDA. If you have any concerns about that, please give us a call. I've seen local basis widen a little bit here the last 24 hours. In my opinion, the space becomes more valuable at harvest, and that's why basis is widening as of today. December corn closed at $3.89, up 2 cents today. November soybeans closed at $8.84, up 7 pennies. December wheat is $4.94, down 3. Local weather tonight, cloudy, low of 48. Southeast wind 5 to 10. Wednesday, cloudy, high of 67. Southeast wind 10 to 15. Looks like for the rest of the week we got highs in the upper 60s, lows in the 40s for the week. Next chance of rain is this Friday and Saturday with 30% chance. If you have any concerns about marketing, especially those must-move harvest bushels, need a plan for them. We can work with you one-on-one, confidentially, and we can work out a plan to make the best opportunity of those bushels. We feel like we can bring value to your farm with our solutions, and we really appreciate your business. Would like the privilege to handle your bushels. Thanks, and have a good harvest and safe.